64 GB. Allah Akbar. Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Aleeya, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today I am going to continue my Shopee haul. Okay, so sebab hari tu kan 12/12. Okay, I just uploaded my 11/11 haul, so you guys can check it out here. And yeah, so basically I'm not going to compile everything in a video. I mean, like, I'm not like simpan banyak-banyak. I'm not going to do that. I'm just like, I akan record that day bila I dapat juga. Okay, so basically I got this thing dia dah daripada Malaysia, so it's quite fast. I ordered 12/12 and today I arrived 12/12 hari Sabtu, and I arrived and sampai around hari Rabu. So yeah, this is the first thing. So yeah, and you guess what's inside? I don't know. So don't forget to potong your number, ataupun whenever you dapat your parcel, don't forget to potong your nama ataupun hitamkan dia guna marker ataupun cut it out, okay, one by one. Because why? Kita tak nak scammer dapat our information. You know, beware. Jangan cakap saya tak pesan. Sebab, you know, bahaya these days, okay? People are desperate to get money and whatsoever. Diorang sanggup buat apa, so we have to be careful, okay? So let's see what's inside. Careful, kita potong ni. Jangan jadi terpotong kau punya barang dalam ni. Wow. Okay, wait. So let's see what's inside. The first thing I got is shoes. Yeah, I got this. Wait, macam besar je. Oh my goodness, I got this shoes for RM. I don't know, it's less than 10 ringgit. If I'm not mistaken, it cost me around 7 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. It was on sale. And yeah, it's less than 10 ringgit lah basically. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm not quite sure if it is. Yeah, I got in size 39. So yeah. So this is how it smells weird. So this is how it looks like. I suka macam ni sebab senang sarung-sarung kalau nak cepat, or yeah, it's cute. So this is the shoes. It smells weird, but whatever. It is made in China. This is how the belakang looks like. Belakang dia, as you can see, it is quite bahaya if you pergi tempat alley chain tinggi sikit. This is how it looks like. And dia getah. Yeah, dia getah. Yeah, I like this. Sekejap kita try pakai kat kaki. Mengangam doh, ngam-ngam, sumpah. Sebaik. Oh, I'm wearing seluar tidur. Ignore that. Yay! It's so cantik. And it's so easy to pakai. So, you guys should get this flat shoes. Yeah. I will put the link in the description down below and the name here. Okay? So, the next thing, I got 2 things from this kedai. Since free shipping daripada 12/12 sale. And yeah, this belt. Yeah, this belt around 3 ringgit something je. Yeah, dia ring bulat. Macam dia bulat like that. Yeah, it is quite panjang actually. Wow. Tapi dia punya lubang dia tak banyak. So you guys kalau tak muat, you just buat lubang sendiri. 3 ringgit je. So like, wait, tak muat doh. What the heck? Tak muat. So yeah. So kita akan tunggu next parcel. Okay? Hi everyone. So kita continue to next parcel that hari ni juga sampai, but at the same day as before, but lambat sikit. Tada! Yeah. Kecil je dalam dia. Yeah, let's see what's inside, okay? Macam nak buka. I'm so excited for this. Yay! What's this? This is eyebrow pencil actually. Dah wrap macam ni. Kenapa sengit bimbang? Tapi tak apa. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's so panjang loh bekas dia. Cantik tak bekas dia? This is from Nita Cosmetic. This is mata kucing Browliner. I got in the shade dark brown. Okay, see that? Yeah, you can see that, whatever. The shade dark brown. It was on sale. 50% off. 40% off. And I got this for 17 something. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow, cantik lah packaging dia. I like the packaging. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is a brow liner. Oh, and dia ada 3 function, okay. Kita ada spoolie. Kita ada spoolie untuk sikat kening. And then kita ada brow gel. Tada, brow gel. And then kita ada this one. This is the pencil. So yeah, it is worth it. Kalau tak sale RM29. I think it's quite cheap for this. Like ada 3 function kot. And yeah, actually you can get this melalui saya sebab I'm one of the dropship. So yeah, this is like reward for myself lah. So I got this. Yeah. Kita akan tunggu next parcel, okay? Hi everyone. Okay, so hari ni, this is the next day. So, new parcel. So, hari ni I dapat my dress, if I'm not mistaken. This is all the way from China. Ini cepat gila. Like, I belikan 12 and then dia sampai at 17. So, like, dia ambil masa dalam 5 hari je. Cepat nak mampus. I macam terkejut gila. I macam, wow, it's so fast. Okay. So basically, this is Zanzea punya dress. So the Zanzea kan macam viral juga kan dia. Jangan risau, I dah spray sanitize. So this is my clothes. Tada, Zanzea. I bought apa nama dia? A dress in size S. Okay, as you can see, dia ada tulis kat sini Zanzea. Kita beli orang macam kecil je, takut. This is the dress. It's kinda short for me. Maybe I should take M, but it's okay. I will make this work. So yeah, I will take a picture instead of video if I dah pakai baju ni, okay? So yeah, but I like it. So I tengok kat review, ada orang kata dia muat even though dia pakai size S. So yeah, that's okay. I will make this work, okay? Kita tunggu next parcel. So, hi. Okay, this is the next parcel, okay? And this is the last one, okay? So, I got 2 parcel, okay? I just got back from somewhere and I got 2 parcel. And yeah, satu I dah buka sebab I tak sabar nak tengok. So let me show you guys. I think this is like sangat berbaloi dan sangat sangat berguna lah kepada semua orang yang menggunakan iPad ataupun iPhone. Since you know like iPhone kan tak boleh nak tambah micro SD card whatsoever. I don't know what's the name. Tapi SD card kita tambah kan. So I purchased this. This is SanDisk iXpand mini flash drive. I beli 64GB. I'm sorry. Okay, let me continue. So hi everyone. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I'm going to continue what I got during 12/12 sale. So I got this iXpand mini flash drive 64GB. This is from the brand SanDisk and I'm not sponsored. Okay. So dia akan useful kepada orang yang mengguna iPhone dan iPad since I'm using my phone right now, so I cannot show you guys how it useful. But if you guys nak video on how nak guna benda tu, just comment down below, okay? Wait, don't jatuh. Okay. So dia ada 16GB, 32, 64 and 128 256 ataupun 128. I lupa. But I will put the link down below. And yeah, for those, I think it's so bagus sebab lagi it's like a pendrive for you. Yeah, this is the size. It's very small. Dia datang macam ni. And bila you beli from this kedai, dia akan bagi you apa tu nama dia, return punya kalau you punya barang tak bagus. Bukan tak bagus, kalau rosak or whatsoever. So yeah. And then apa yang you akan dapat, benda ni dia ada lightning punya tu, so you can cucuk and you boleh apa tu, macam phone you punya storage daripada phone boleh masuk dalam ni. So yeah, and then you kalau you nak transfer ke laptop pula, you boleh cucuk benda ni pula, cucuk ke laptop. So yeah, if you nak cara macam mana I guna benda ni, you just comment down below, say yes. Okay, and next, sangat berala. This is very useful for those lagi yang guna phone storage yang sikit. You guys boleh beli ni. I know like this is iPhone dah keluarkan apa, ataupun Apple dah keluarkan storage yang banyak, but some people probably not tak berkemampuan untuk beli at that time storage banyak. So you guys can get this. Okay, it's very useful. I dah guna dah and it's very bagus. So yeah, banyaknya aku cakap pasal benda tu. I got this for RM RM100.90 during 12.12 punya sale. You guys boleh check it out. Selalunya waktu sale dia sangat murah and sangat berbaloi. So yeah. Okay. It's very bagus. Tak ada like or whatever. Okay. So next I bought this. This is from China. And I got this. This is t-shirt. This is my last parcel. Okay. Sangat cepat even though daripada China. It's like it takes around 1 week, few days. So like cepat. Selalunya if I beli barang daripada China, it's like ambil masa 1 bulan, you know. Okay, so this is my first impression. I'm sorry, my tudung is not that good. Whoa. What's this? Oh, ada price tag lagi nya. What's this? Oh, dia dah tanah plastik. Aku dah gunting siap-siap. So, I got a t-shirt. I don't know. I just like random nak beli t-shirt. Oh, it's quite... Okay, the kain is like... It's a cotton. Tapi dia campur something. You know, kalau cotton, you boleh rasa cotton tu macam mana. So, but this is not. This is like cotton and something. Let me see if dia dah tulis description dia. No, dia tak tulis. Dia just tulis kat sini made in China. So I got in the size L, and yeah, if you're wondering, I'm 160 and my weight is 50 kilogram or 49. Selalu macam tu lah, dia selalu turun naik. So yeah, let me show you guys. Okay, oh, it's quite big actually. I saja beli oversized t-shirts sebab saja. That's all. I got this for RM berbelas je, around 16 if I'm not mistaken, 14 ringgit. Okay, 16 around there. I will put, yeah. So yeah, but I like the kain though. It's very nice and it's not panas. It's good for weather in Malaysia lah. So yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment down below. Comment apa? I don't know, just comment anything down below, okay? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And yeah, please share to anyone. Okay, so bye. Assalamualaikum.